Auvik tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Auvik. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Auvik, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Auvik, it is a cloud-based software solution that simplifies and automates network monitoring and management for IT managed service providers, in which the software provides true network visibility and control, allowing MSPs to manage their clients' networks efficiently and effectively. And aside from that, Auvik's user-friendly interface enables rapid deployment and customization to meet the unique needs for each client. And the software is designed to be highly scalable and compatible with a wide range of network devices and vendors. And now to start creating an account on Auvik, we could also fill out all of the required information. Under this, we have here first name, last name, our company name, business email address, phone number, desired URL, select your region. And after filling out all of the required information, just check these boxes right here that indicate that you agree to the terms and condition and click the Start Free Trial button below here. And upon clicking on it, we will be able to be directed on this page. And from here, to step or exit the setup guide, we can simply click the Exit Setup Guide button below here, in which upon doing so, we will be able to be directed on this dashboard. And from here, it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating. We have here navigation, all sites, dashboard, inventory, audit log, all alerts, hardware lifestyle, and many more. And aside from left side panel, we could also navigate here those options including inventory, audit log alerts, and any other option on the top panel in here. So you could also click on it if you also want to navigate those options. Now under this all sites option, it is designed to provide comprehensive view of all managed sites and network under a single umbrella, in which this feature allows managed service providers to manage multiple sites efficiently, streamlining their workflow and enhancing their ability to deliver better client experiences. And as you can see, I don't have any added sites in here. And now to start adding a new site, just click this Add Site button on the top right corner from here. And upon clicking on the button, we could also see here on this pop-up window some of the options and details that we can start filling out, including the relationship type, organization name, desired URL, and many more. And after that, we can now proceed to site authorization to proceed. Now going back on this page right here, aside from all sites, we could also navigate here this dashboard, in which by simply clicking on it, we'll be able to see here other details. And also the purpose of this dashboard is to provide users with a centralized and customizable interface to monitor and manage their networks effectively. So as you can see below here, it will show you the data including the number of offline collectors, number of offline network devices, and many more, in which this dashboard offers a variety of strategic views tailored to the specific needs of network operations teams, allowing them for a comprehensive overview of a network performance across different groups, customers, or locations. Now moving on, aside from dashboards, we could also navigate here on the left side panel this inventory options, in which it serves as a crucial purpose by providing automated and accurate inventory information for network devices and systems. And this feature allows managed service providers to easily manage and track the inventory of their clients' networks, saving hours of manual effort and reducing the likelihood of errors. And from here, you'll see here the number of available devices, the organization name, domain prefix, status, device name, type, and many more. Now moving on, aside from inventory, we could also navigate here this audit log, in which it provides a comprehensive history of all user actions and changes made within the network. So basically, this feature enhances security and transparency by allowing administrators to track and verify who is accessing and modifying network configurations and alert definitions. Now moving on to alerts option right here, in which it provides a centralized view of all alerts generated across the managed network. This feature allows network administrators and managed service providers to quickly identify and respond to potential issues, ensuring the stability and performance of the network. Now moving on, aside from that, we could also navigate here the hardware lifecycle, in which this option serves as a critical purpose by providing users with insights into the lifestyle status of all devices within the network. This feature enables management service providers and network administrators to track the lifecycle stages of network devices, including whether they are approaching end of life, or warranties, or support contracts. Moving on in traffic insights, in which it provides deep visibility into network traffic flows, enabling managed service providers to gain valuable insights into their clients' network usage and performance. And this feature leverages machine learning, flow data, and metadata to analyze traffic patterns. While syncing is a crucial purpose by enabling the automated and efficient transfer of data between Auvik and other integrated systems, in which this feature allows managed service providers to synchronize network, inventory, device attributes, and other relevant information across multiple platforms, ensuring that all data is up to date and consistent. Now moving on, aside from syncing, on the left side panel under admin, we could also navigate here the discovery by simply clicking on it. On this option, you will be able to automated and efficient discovery of network devices and services, since this feature allows managed service providers to gain complete network visibility and control by periodically scanning the network to discover devices and services. And as you can see in here under integrations, by clicking add integration button on the top right corner, you will be able to integrate some other application to Auvik, including Autotask, ConnectWise, Slack, Microsoft Teams, and many more. Now moving on, aside from discovery and integrations, we could also navigate this manage alerts by simply clicking on it. You'll be able to see here a centralized platform that configure and customize alert notifications for various integrations, such as Autotask, PSA, and ConnectWise Manage. And to add alert, we could simply click this add alert button on the top right corner. From here, we could choose either to create alert for network, device, service, component, or collector. So basically, this feature allows managed service providers to set up alert notifications to be sent to external systems. Now moving on, we could also navigate the manage users, in which it allows administrators to control user access and permissions within the platform. And this feature enables the creation, editing, and deletion of user accounts, ensuring that only authorized individuals can access and manage the network infrastructure. And from here, by clicking this invite users right here, we will be able to invite other users by simply entering their email address in here and filling out all of the required information below. Now going back in here, we could also navigate shared Auvik collectors, in which it serves a crucial purpose by enabling the centralized management of multiple network sites from single location. Now moving on, we could also navigate here the settings option right here that help users to configure various aspects of the network management system, in which we can customize settings to suit our specific needs and optimize network performance. Now moving on, below here under support, we could also navigate knowledge base and resource center. But to proceed, we're going to skip this part and going to navigate other option under our account info in here. By clicking this edit profile below, from here we'll be able to update our personal information and settings within the platform. And aside from that, we could also change our password in here, set up our two-factor authentication in here. And below here, if you scroll down under API key, in which this kind of details is the one that we're going to use after installing the application of Auvik. And by clicking this generate button right here, it will show you on this pop-up window that we can start generating API key, and by simply copying this, we can paste it in logging in our account after installing this application. And now to install the application, just click on the left side panel, this shared Auvik collectors, in which from here, just click also this add shared Auvik collector. And in this pop-up window, it will show you other way to install Auvik in your device. But in those options, I'm going to choose this install on Windows device. And from here, we can simply click this download Windows installer to start installing the application. And after that, to log in our account in Auvik, we can simply enter the API keys details, including the domain prefix and also the API generated key. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Auvik. Thank you.